If you find yourself locked out of your WhatsApp account and cannot receive verification codes, there are still ways to recover access. Follow these steps to regain control of your account. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, enter your phone number and tap on Forgot Password. This option will guide you through the recovery process without needing a verification code. Step 3. Use email recovery. If you have previously linked your WhatsApp account to an email address, check your email for a recovery link. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your account access. Step 4. Contact WhatsApp support. If email recovery is not an option, go to the WhatsApp Help Center. Submit a request for account recovery, providing necessary details such as your phone number and a description of your issue. Step 5. Wait for response. After submitting your request, wait for WhatsApp support to respond. They may ask for additional information to verify your identity. Follow their instructions carefully to regain access. By following these steps, you can recover your WhatsApp account even without verification codes. Remember to keep your account information secure to prevent future access issues.